Hello student, today we are talking about the stereochemistry. So stereochemistry, it is a branch of chemistry which deals the arrangement of atom in a molecules. So organic compound, it has the one of the important characteristics is they shows the isomerism. So what is isomers? The compounds having same molecular formula but they are the different in the structure. In what way they are different? So there are different types of isomers. So isomers are nothing but they are subdivided into two main type. One is we called as the structural isomer and another is we called as the stereoisomers. So what is meaning of the structural isomerism? The compounds have the same molecular formula but they are different in the arrangement of atom in a molecule. In what way they are different? So this structural isomerism is divided into the following types. One is we called as the chain isomerism, positional isomerism, functional isomerism, tautomerism, metamerism, ring chain isomerism. So there are different types of the structural isomers are exist. Another classification is the stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is subdivided into two types. One is we called as a configurational isomerism and second is the conformational isomerism. Now, what is meaning of this configurational isomerism? Again, the same definition we can say here. The compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the configuration. So, configuration means with respect to double bond, with respect to the central atom, the arrangement of atoms are in a molecules. So, that is we called as configurational. Generally, this configurational isomerism is again divided into the two types, that is geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Now what is meaning of the geometrical isomerism? Geometrical isomerism is applicable for those compound which contains the ring or which contains the double bonds, that is unsaturated alkenes. So you can see the geometrical isomerism are of two types. One is the cis isomerism and another is the trans isomerism. So and this again it has a cis and trans, there are some limitations and that's why the new nomenclature system is exists, and that is nothing but the E and Z nomenclature. Again these are also the isomers of the geometrical isomerism. Then this optical isomerism, the compounds having the same molecular formula but their optical activities are different. The rotation of the plane polarized light is different. That's why it is called as the optical isomerism. And this optical isomerism are of two types. One is called as dextro, another is called as the leo. Dextro stands for it rotates the plane of polarized light in the right hand side, that is RHS, and leo stand for it is the rotate the plane of polarized lights in a left hand side and it is designated as negative sign, and it is nothing but this LHS. So this is all about the optical isomerism. Another part is the conformational isomerism. The conformational isomerism is also having the two types. One is we called as the staggered conformation and another is the eclipse conformation. Staggered conformation is nothing but the compounds which having the low energy, high stability, but in eclipse conformation they are the unstable. So this is all about the classification of the isomers.